I'm Callie with Adventure Rig, and today we're talking about something real exciting that we brought down to Baja with us this year. This is the Aero Ultra LowRider Tandem Paddleboard made by BOTE, and this is not just any paddleboard. This one is pretty sweet. The reason we wanted this is, well, I'll be honest with you. I wanted this because I like going out and paddleboarding, but I like getting just paddled around. I don't want to have to do any work. So I thought if the whole family could fit on one SUP, we could put Tyson in charge of paddling, and then Charlie and I could just relax on the front of the SUP. That's not actually how our paddles have gone in the morning, mostly because Charlie's a 10-month-old puppy and he's not super used to the stand-up paddleboard yet, but we're working on him. It hasn't been as relaxing as I was thinking, but it's so awesome to be able to all hop on this, head out into the Sea of Cortez, and enjoy the water. Of course, today it's a little bit breezy out here, but in those early mornings, we go out there and it's so nice to be able to paddle around and check out what's going on out in the water. What makes this paddleboard so special is the fact that it's not just a paddleboard. This is a kayak paddleboard hybrid. So as you can see, we have the two chairs mounted right now, and this is our preferred configuration for this that we have seemed to be liking so far. So I'll sit in the front, Tyson will be in the back, and right now we have Charlie in between us. Like I said, we're just trying to get him used to being on the paddleboard and staying on here, not in the water. But the greatest thing about this is that it's comfortable to sit down, paddle around like a kayak, but you can easily remove the seats, and then you have a nice big inflatable SUP to paddle around if you want to use it as a stand-up paddleboard. There's just a ton of versatility with this one paddleboard, and we're trying to simplify our lives, and this helps us do that because now we have one SUP with the chairs. It all goes into its own bag, fits in the RV, and we can always have it with us whether we want just a SUP or use it more as a kayak, no matter where you are. Another thing we like about the LowRider is, especially with Charlie on board, it is very stable. It measures 11 feet 6 inches long, 36 inches wide, and 6 inches deep. Let's talk about the seats. There are several ways to configure this. You can adjust the back angle of the seat, as you can see with this strap, in 3 different positions, and then you have 3 different tie-down points along the board to move the seats front or back, however you prefer. We've also taken off one seat in the front, just had the seat in the back, so there's lots of different options when it comes to how you want to configure this. In addition to tying down seats on these D-rings, you could actually really tie down anything you want, but BOTE also offers a strap that you can tie on here to make it really easy to carry. Now, in addition to the strap that you can add on, you also have 3 handles on the SUP. You have one here, one in the front, and one in the back. So it's fairly big for one person, but if you have 2 people carrying, it's great. It's doable with one person at the center handle, but it is a little bit heavier. The weight of the board alone is 38 pounds. Each chair is just over 5.5 pounds, and all of this together in the carrying bag that this all comes with is just over 50 pounds. What's great is that in addition to backpack straps on the bag, you also have wheels. So of course that's not gonna work super well out here in the sand, but if you're wheeling it anywhere else or traveling with it, it's gonna be easy to maneuver. For this paddleboard specifically, BOTE offers a lot of different options. You have these rails. It actually comes with the 2 rails that screw in back here. That's an option for a rack. And then you also have 2 Magnapod cup holders right in front of the seats here. We actually don't have the magnetic cups for them. We need to get those so that you can go out on your morning SUP and enjoy your fresh cup of coffee and it's not gonna spill. That would have been a really great thing to test with Charlie in tow, having a cup there on the Magnapod. If you're looking to configure this for fishing, you definitely need to check out the BOTE website, as there are tons of extras that you can do with this boat. You also have a lot of room in the front and in the rear to carry things with you. We always bring towels, dry bag full of water, food, that sort of thing, and it easily fits on the front and back there. Now that we're talking about loading this thing up, how much weight capacity can this actually hold? It's rated for 500 pounds. So for us, we can fit both Tyson and myself and Charlie on here very easily with room for extra gear, snacks, that sort of thing. They also have a non-tandem version. I believe it's a 10.6 version of this exact same paddleboard. So that would be a good option if you're solo and a dog, or maybe you want to have your own separate paddleboard and not get toted around With this being a SUP kayak hybrid, you should know that it does come with the appropriate paddles for both kayaking or SUPing. So it's really easy to configure the paddles how you want them. You either have the kayak version or you take out one end of the kayak, you stick the SUP handle on, and you're good to go. It's really quick and easy. Now, speaking of quick and easy, I want to mention just how quickly you can remove these seats. It's 2 cam straps. It literally takes less than 30 seconds. And something that we found too is that these are actually really comfortable if you throw them down in the sand and use them as a seat on the beach. In addition to the 2 seats, the 4 cam straps for the seats, the paddles, the rear rack mounts, and the boat pump, you also get a repair kit and the bag that this all comes in. It's an awesome kit, and while it is a little bit more expensive, we like to be able to simplify our SUP, have one with us that we take in the RV, and obviously using it as a kayak or a SUP is a huge benefit for us and what we like to do out there. Whether you're looking for a SUP or any other amazing water toys, you have to check out BOTE. They have some really cool, high quality, well-made stuff on their website, and this is not going to be the last thing we get from BOTE. I can guarantee that. Thanks again for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you. Also, if you're wondering where we are or what we're up to, check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Adventure Rig. Thanks again for watching. I'm Callie with Adventure Rig. For those of you with OCD like Tyson and are bothered by the text being upside down for the camera, we'll have you know that we had to point this into the wind so that the chairs would stay in this position for viewing purposes. However, we would have loved to have flipped it over and had the text in line with where it should be.